Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x80073cfg and Windows computer. So this error often appears when you're trying to install or update a game through the Xbox app. Instead of completing the process, the app fails and throws the 0x80073cfg message, leaving you stuck with no progress bar and no working download. So error 0x80073cfg generally points to a problem with the Microsoft Store or Windows Update components, and it caused by a corrupted Windows Store cache, missing permissions or system folder, conflicts with antivirus software, and corrupted user profiles. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and pop up this run. So here in box, then you need to type this command keyword wsreset.exe. So just type this command keyword wsreset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword wsreset.exe to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair and reset the Xbox app. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type settings, and then click open. And then once you open up this Windows settings, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select apps and then click. And on right side, then you can see this installed apps and then click again. And under at installed apps, then you can see this search apps, and then you need to type this keyword Xbox, and automatically pop up this three apps found Xbox. So we have the Xbox, and then Xbox Console Companion, and then Xbox Live. So you need to select this Xbox, and then on right side you can see this three dot, and then click, and then you need to select advanced option. And then here at advanced option settings, and then you need to scroll down, and you can see this reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair to fix this error. And then you need to tap this repair, and we to complete the repair process. And then repair process complete. And then if this app still isn't working right, then the time to we need to reset this Xbox app. Then you need to click or tap this reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then you need to click this reset, and we to complete the reset process. And then reset procedures is totally complete, and then we need to close the settings, and then we need to restart. So click this restart at start menu to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x80073cfg and Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.